Did you know some dogs think they're broken when they keep getting returned to shelters? I thought I was too bouncy, so the first family brought me back. Too energetic, they said. The second family said I was too calm. I tried to play more. They brought me back too. The third family said I was too big. I tried to make myself smaller, curled up tight in my kennel. Maybe if I learned more tricks. Maybe if I was a different color. Maybe if I didn't smell like me. Each time those shelter doors closed behind me, I changed something else. My walk, my bark, my sleep spot. I was trying so hard to be perfect. Then you came. You didn't ask me to sit differently, or wag less, or be smaller. You just said, this one, exactly as he is. And I realized I was never broken. I was just waiting for someone who spoke my language.